What if I told you that in this car I have 15 boxes full of products, and these products are going to be shipped out to resellers like you and I, phone flippers, product resellers, phone stores, and people that may just be setting up pop-up shops? What if I told you that this is something that you could get that would help you fast track your business, start actually reselling, get quality products, trending products, and products in your physical possession? Now, I've tried drop shipping. I've tried to go ahead and utilize Chinese factories. I've tried to utilize Alibaba, AliExpress, but that didn't work. And it didn't work because these type of entities are focused on using us as promotion, but also giving us the lowest tier product possible, one that does not cost them money that they are willing to lose, but will cost us everything, including our brand. Now, if you're somebody that has just started reselling, let me tell you something that I had to learn the hard way. Product is king, and making sure you have a quality product is something that will help you in the long run. I tell a story all the time about when I had products and I brought a bunch of cheap ones to fill my first store. Now, it ain't no pain like the pain that it has, or the feeling that you get when you got a brand new store and you walk in the store and you realize, oh snap, I gotta put products on all of these walls. I gotta put products on these shelves. I gotta make sure the store is full. So what I did was I went to AliExpress, I went to Alibaba, I went those routes, and I ordered a bunch of products. Now when I ordered these products, unfortunately, they took a long time, 4 weeks to be exact. With these boxes from WESPLY.com, we ship within 2 days, okay? 2 days, very important. For a week, let me continue. So it took me 4 weeks to get all the products. Products arrived, unboxed them, me and my staff put them up. Products were good, right? Like, they look good. Rarely any damaged products, if I'm being honest. But what I realized was when customers would buy these products, a bunch of them, if we were to do the calculation, I believe back then it was like 85%, or it was like 75 or 85% of people would come back for chargers and audio accessories and return them. Now, this is okay the first time, maybe even the second time. But then when I started to realize it was a trend, I started to actually see that there's a problem, okay? This is a big problem, because we at this point are providing products to people that they can't rely on, which then in return makes me unreliable and hurts my brand. That's when I decided to actually go out and seek a way to actually touch the products, feel the products, get the products in the United States. So since then, that was 2016. Since then, I've been able to build my own network, my own warehouse, me being able to source products all over the world and get them in the States for us to be able to actually physically acquire. So what I'm gonna do in this video is I'm actually gonna walk us through one of the product boxes. Now, this is gonna be a 50-piece product box. This is one of the options on WESPLY.com. So these boxes are called resellers kits. The reason why they're called resellers kits is because these are kits that resellers use to make money, okay? They make more money than they invest, obviously, right? So for a 30-piece product box, it will cost $250. For a 50-piece product box, it costs $320. Now, on average, from the $250 box, average resellers are making anywhere between $450 to $600. From the $50 box, they're making anywhere between $550 to, sometimes we see 8 or even 7, right? Now, the reason this occurs is because it's not about the products in the product box in reality. What it's about, hey, these products that you are actually getting to see, you're touching, you're feeling, these products are going to actually show you what products are selling well for you. Every product is not going to sell fast for you on eBay. Every product isn't going to sell fast for you on Mercari. You have to be able to play around with these products and be able to source these products in different ways, or position them in different ways on different platforms for them to sell, and figure out which ones are selling really good for you. Once you figure out which ones are selling really well for you, you're then able to go and you're able to, what the heck? You're then able to go and I'm outside of a parking lot and they just did something illegal. But you're able to just source. You're able to test out different platforms, which that is where the win is. Because let's say you got some headphones, some AirPod Max headphones that you have in a product box or products kit or a reseller's kit, right? This is going to show you what platform is more realistic for you to be listing them on to actually make a good profit. This is going to show you exactly where and how you should be listing products for you to be able to maximize your reach, because every platform is not going to be the one. So we're going to go and we're going to start to figure out exactly what products we will be selling in one of these boxes. I'm gonna pick one random and I'm gonna bring it up here and let's just see what comes in the box. Now, if you guys are wondering why I am in a parking lot instead of in the warehouse, number one, it's mad early. And number two, I try to refrain from bringing certain products that I purchased into the warehouse, and I also refrain from packaging orders in certain stores. I like to keep business fluent, but if you guys want to know what's going on with me personally, definitely go check out my personal page, my personal journal or blog page. It is Educated Hustle Journals. Educated Hustle Journals. Yeah, I explain a lot that's going on. All right, so here is the kit, okay? All right. Now, I am on my way to the post office, so I do gotta button this up right after this video. But this is one of the boxes that I pulled out from the back, and let's see what's in it, okay? So number one, of course, every single box will have some type of gadget cone in it. This box is the 50 piece, so this is going to have the maxes in it for you to be able to sell these maxes, okay? So I'm gonna put some of the products outside the box and I'm gonna keep some in because, yeah. All right, so number one, let's get to the little stuff. We got car mounts, okay? So these are the car mounts that are in there. It's two different varieties. Now, when it comes to car mounts, guys, now I use one of these in my car, of course. Here goes this one, very durable. Again, I test all of the products that I sell out for a bunch of weeks or months, sometimes days, but I tend to try and test them out because it's important for me to make sure that we have quality when it comes to products, okay? So this is going to be the car mounts, okay? Yo, what are these people doing? Now they have 4 of these in here. Next, we have the MagSafe charging, okay? So the MagSafe charging battery pack, you guys already know about that. It's 2 in there. We have 3 of these AAA 20-watt adapters. Look at the packaging. I really love this packaging, guys. And then we have the new iPhone 7, so the lightning jack headphones, and this is the newer packaging that I like, okay? It's really, really compact. All right. Now, every box will also come with cables because this is one of the most underrated product that you could sell, and they get 20 of them, and these are USB to lightning. Now, why do you want to sell cables? Because cables help you get reviews fast. Okay, then we have 2 6-foot cable cords. Okay, these are 6 foot. Then you also have a USB brick. Okay, now these bricks, again, very, very, very good. All right, let me see if I can actually, hold on. This one, hold on, trying to get it. This one has the Apple logo on it, okay? So you're definitely gonna get that in the box, okay? Let me see. Then we also have some generic headphones. So the extra bass headphones, don't sleep on these. These are impulse buys, I'd say. These are going to be headphones that you would buy and sell these for like what, $7, $6. If you have a storefront or a pop-up shop, these sell well. These sell really, really well in airports and well in places where people need headphones. It's low cost of good for you. Speaking of low cost of good, here we go with these. These are the S6 headphones. Okay, packaging is very, very good. I love these as well. Okay, then we have the clear case MagSafe Black. So if I open this up to show you guys what this looks like, it looks like this. Okay, it's the MagSafe case, but it's in black. It has TPU. That's the material. Really, really good material. As you guys see, this is the packaging. I love these. These are one of the best sellers as well. We sell these for like $14. In person, we sell them for $20. Then you have the car chargers. I have this in my car too. This is a car charger that I use. It has USB and Type-C connection. Okay. Then they're getting 2 battery cases. So you got the iPhone 14 and then you got the 16 Pro Max. Oh. Okay, these are charging cases. These we sell for like $35 each, sometimes $45. It all depends on your, there's 2 of those each. Then we have the 45-watt adapter for Samsung. So again, this is really good packaging. As you even see, it has the barcodes, and these are like serial numbers. So this is something you want to hang up in your store because customers are going to love the packaging and see that it has value. Charging stand right here. This is a really good seller too. Then we have the solar charger. So the solar charger is something that we've been selling. We have 3 of those. That's a really good seller. It's always been. I've never had a problem with that. And that is all, guys. So make sure I got everything. Oh no, I didn't. So you're also getting 2 of these. Okay, this is going to be the 60-watt charging cable, and then this is going to be, this is Type-C to Type-C, and this is going to be Type-C to Lightning right here. This is going to be 27 watts. Okay, so this sells well as well. So again, when it comes to the box, guys, the box sells not because the box is a automatic, just we make you money box, right? It's literally a business startup in a box. It's literally putting you in a position to have all the inventory needed to start your business. You need to make sure that you're posting on more than one platform. You need to make sure that you're being aware of exactly what you want to do. Are you going to sell these at flea markets, which this person most likely is going to do? I know this customer orders on a consistent basis from us. You want to make sure that you're just putting yourself in the right position to be able to come out successful, but there's so many different positions that the limits are endless. So you really have to envision what you want and make it happen, guys. Make it come into reality. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm about to head to the post office right now. I'm never parking in this post office, this parking lot. Well, the post office is over there, but I'm like in a parking lot, and I just thought to do the video, but yeah, I think I put a target on my back because like people are looking at me, and I guess they see products that I have in boxes, and before I even I don't know. But regardless, I gotta get up out of here. Make sure you guys go ahead and order your reseller kits at wesply.com, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.